Yo, what's good, everybody? Hope you guys are well. Today, BitChat. Let's clap it up for BitChat. What is BitChat? Is that new? Yes, it's new. Jack Dorsey, former Twitter CEO, and his gang of 12 other contributors, totaling 13, strange number. They have created a protocol using Bluetooth Low Energy to communicate from device to device. It is a decentralized mesh network with end-to-end encryption, IRC style chat commands and such. Pretty cool. I've played around with it just a bit. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let me get out of there. So right now, and let me just go ahead and get you immersed. If you want to change your name, you can click right here, right at the top after the @ symbol, and you can name yourself whatever you want for that session only. Okay. So right now I'm on my Mac Studio. That is this device. And if I want to say hello to someone, I can just say, hello, everyone. All right, cool. Right? So everyone within my little area just goes out into some mainstream of nothingness, right? But that's not really what we want to do. We want to see who is out there. So just /W for who. And it lets me know that LF Pro is out there somewhere. That is my MacBook Pro to my right. All right. So what if I want to chat with them directly? You can do that as well. Just /M at LF_Pro. You can see that on the line there. And whatever message you want. Are you hungry? Hope that's how you spell hungry. And if you notice that, pop me into this other chat, right? So I can respond back if I wheel myself over. Just say yes. We get into that chat. Yes, I am. All right. Wheel myself back over here. You can see, yes, I am. So this is extra cool. And if you want to go back to the chat, you can. Helpful menu that took me a minute to find. Click on BitChat. It'll tell you everything you want to know. Offline communication, end-to-end encryption, extended range, favorites, @ mentions another nickname, so on and so forth. I think this is so cool. I love technology, period. All right. So I haven't been able to get channels working just yet. I'm sure they will figure it out. So this is a channel that I created earlier, but I can't see it from the other machine and vice versa. Although they are close together, they can private message and we have our little group and all that other good stuff. They'll work out the kinks eventually. All right. So are there any nuances to getting this installed? So number one, this is Mac only right now, it seems. I do want to get it working on my beloved U consoles here. I want it. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I'm trying. All right. So on Mac, you're going to want Brew. Brew is your package manager. It does not come pre-installed. Sorry. You'll have to figure out how to install that on your own. But it's fairly straightforward. If you're comfortable with the terminal, this is for you. This is your time. All right. So what we'll do is we'll just pick up here. So you're going to want to, first of all, you're going to need Git as well. G-E-T. Not. It's actually G-I-T. Git. So make sure you install Brew and Git. After that, come up here to your clipboard, to Jack's repository. I will post the link in the description. And you'll want to choose a directory that you're all right with getting dirty. So in my case, I have already created one. Let's go ahead and git clone. Cool. So that cloned everything that we needed. ls to make sure that it's there. We can cd into BitChat. BitChat. Okay. stuff is there. Then we'll continue with the instructions. All right, so you will need to install Xcode Gen, so we can do that. I've already done that. So it says downloading. Do I want to reinstall? In my case, I do not. Okay, we have already CD'd into the directory. We already have this program, so we can just generate. So copy that. Boom. All right, that generated. And now it says number 3, open in Xcode. You don't have to do that unless you want this thing working on your phone. I did not want to put it on mine as I did not want to take that risk. Okay. And the long way I went about it earlier, I was all through Xcode and trying to get it to work that way. It just doesn't. You need another program called Just, and they don't tell you that you need to install that in order to make it work. They just assume, like, just run. I'm typing that on my machine, and it's like, what is Just? I don't have a Just command. So you need to install Just. So let me show you how to do that. So brew again, install Just. Cool. All right. Once again, I'm not going to reinstall it. So at this point, we have everything that we need, and I will just go through it, and we'll just say just run. And keep in mind, mine is already running, so it's going to generate an error and not come up. Okay. All right. Build succeeded though, but of course mine is already running, so it's not going to run again. So that is essentially it. I'll keep working on my uConsole project to see if I can get it working. If I can't, it just is what it is. Things will come about. I'm sure that Jack and team will create something that will work on more than just iOS. But emerging technology is just about always cool, in my opinion, especially when it's helpful for scenarios that are not ideal. If you have any questions, get at me. Not my project, it is Jack's. But take care. Have a safe weekend. Peace.